This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Vandergraaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The Grizzly Drive drum motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Yeah, we were talking off camera about tire kickers and versus like real hard decision makers. It does seem like with Ag Ones and trade shows in general, more recent years, you get really prepared buyers coming in knowing what they're looking at, not necessarily people stumbling into the booth asking questions about, hey, what is that thing anymore? I'm sure that still happens to a degree, but do you feel like the people on the show floor are more I guess high quality, ready to go, ready to do some business?
Yeah, definitely. It's you're correct. I mean, I've done a lot of different shows over the years, and it in the earlier years, let's say there was more of the people coming in, what you got and whatnot, and usually it boiled down to the price. You give them the price, they go, ooh, you get the tents, and but there's a lot more, especially in the aggregate industry, which obviously the cost per ton for the product is much less than say gold or obviously something with much more value, but still nonetheless valuable. And in the industry, there's a lot of people looking for ways to improve it so they get more longevity on maintenance, or like longer, more predictable maintenance shutdowns, etc., and looking for better quality. And that I really recognize. They're coming in particular in our products, saying this looks really good. So
how much is that being driven by maybe workforce shortages, people looking for better path forward on maintenance, more durability like you're talking about, so maybe they don't have to address issues with equipment as often as they did in the past? So I guess at Hovering Boker, Niagara, and industry-wide too, I suppose, Duncan, how much impact is the workforce having on how you guys are going about designing the equipment that's coming out?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, let's say back in the day, there was a lot more people, on the ground, so to speak, whether it's people turning the wrenches or directing the gentlemen that are welding, etc. But now there's it's much slimmer crew, for obvious reasons, and they're looking for more maintenance-friendly equipment, as well as, like I say, longer outages or predictable outages of when they can get it fix things. So. Definitely in the industry, I think you have a lot less. There's fewer people coming into it, and they definitely recognize or willing to say, "Can you help me with this? Can you help me with that?" And we're more than willing to.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit Vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative Grizzly Drive drum motor. Learn how the Grizzly Drive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.